You hear that term AI thrown around a lot, right? Artificial intelligence. It usually sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, or maybe something happening way over in another country. But what if I told you it's not? Today we're going to talk about AI right here in Uganda. And, well, the big secret is it's already here.
So let's just get this out of the way. Is this whole AI thing for real? Is it just science fiction? You know, the kind of stuff you see in movies that doesn't really have anything to do with our actual day-to-day lives?
The answer is a big, clear no. And it's probably a lot closer than you think. It's not hidden away in some fancy high-tech lab somewhere. In fact, it's right here, in the device that's probably in your pocket or your hand right now.
Okay. So if it's real, then maybe it's just for those big tech companies in America or Asia, right? A tool that's for other countries, without much practical use for us here in Uganda. Yeah, that's a pretty common thought. And again, that's just not the case. And this is the main idea we're digging into today. AI isn't coming to Uganda. It's already here. It's been working, kind of quietly in the background, making things faster, safer, and just more convenient. So let's look at some examples, starting with something you use every single day.
All right, first up, AI on your phone. We're going to start with the most familiar object to all of us, your smartphone. This little device is an absolute powerhouse of artificial intelligence, and it impacts everything from how you unlock it to how you post online. Just think about the simple things you do without even thinking. Unlocking your phone with your face or your fingerprint? Yep, that's AI. How about when your phone suggests the next word you're about to type? That's AI learning how you communicate. And when you snap a photo that just comes out perfectly sharp and bright, that's AI improving the image in a split second. It's working for you all the time. And it doesn't just stop there. Every time you open up your favorite apps, AI is pretty much the engine running the whole show. It's what recommends that next video for you on YouTube. It's what creates that strangely addictive For You page on TikTok. And it's what decides which posts from your friends you see first on Facebook. So what's the magic behind all this? The term is personalization. See, the AI isn't just showing you random things. It's actually learning from every single click, every like, every share. It's building this unique profile of your interests just so it can predict what you'll want to see next. And that is exactly why your TikTok feed looks completely different from your friends.
Okay, now let's move beyond your social life and into something that's maybe even more critical, your wallet. Because AI plays a huge role in protecting your money and even helping out local businesses. You can think of AI as a silent security guard for your money. Seriously. Every time you send mobile money, an AI system is analyzing that transaction in real time, looking for any patterns that might be fraud. The same thing happens with online payments. It's this technology that helps keep your financial information safe from anyone trying to do something suspicious. But it's not just about protection. It's also a creative tool. For a small business owner in Uganda, AI is becoming this incredibly powerful assistant. It can help you write catchy ads, it can help design posters for a sale, or it can even handle common customer questions automatically. I mean, think about the time and money that saves. So we've seen AI on our phones and in our finances. Now let's kind of zoom out and look at the bigger picture, its impact on the wider community. Specifically, how it's helping professionals in some of our most important sectors. So let's look at a few examples here. In education, students can use AI to quickly summarize long notes, while teachers can use it to help prepare their lessons more efficiently. In the health sector, it helps doctors analyze really complex data to support a diagnosis. And in agriculture, which is the cornerstone of our economy, AI can help farmers predict weather and monitor the health of their crops. And the most important point here is that in every single one of these cases, AI is just a tool. It's not replacing the teacher. It's not replacing the doctor, and it's not replacing the farmer. No way. It's assisting them. It's giving them better information so they can do their jobs even better.
Of course, with any powerful new technology, there are always some fears and questions. Is this technology taking over? Are we losing control? So let's just tackle that head on. Let's have a little reality check.
It's really important to be clear about what AI is not. It is not going to replace all jobs. It is not making decisions on its own with its own free will, and it is absolutely not controlling people. That stuff is from the movies, not reality. So what's the real power dynamic here? Who's in charge? Well, think of it like a chain of command. First, the AI follows the specific instructions that humans give it. Then, we guide it, and we check its work. And ultimately, the most important part, we are the ones who make the final decision. It's a tool, and we're the ones holding it.
So while AI is, without a doubt, powerful, and it's getting more powerful every day, it is so important to remember what it really is at its core, a tool. And just like any other tool, from a simple hammer to a complicated computer, its impact is decided entirely by the person who's using it.
And that brings us to the biggest takeaway from all of this. The whole debate about if AI is coming, that's over. It's here. The real conversation we all need to be having now is about how we're going to use it. It's time for us to move from just being observers to becoming active users and to start learning how this tool can help you, your business, and your community.
So, I'll leave you with this final thought. Now that you know what to look for, from your phone's keyboard to your mobile money app, where else have you noticed AI working in your daily life here in Uganda? The more we all see it, the better we can understand it. Thanks for tuning in.